Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the basic Java features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. But before moving ahead, I would like to tell the primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple and secure programming language. See this diagram. Each petal of the flower shows one feature of the Java programming language. We will understand each feature one by one. First feature is, Java is object-oriented. Since everything in Java is an object, and it supports SOAP's concepts that are abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Hence, it is object-oriented programming language. Still, it is not purely or 100% object-oriented language, because the 8 primitive data types in Java that are Boolean, byte, char, double, integer, float, long and short are not objects. They are just variables. Hence it is object-oriented but not purely object-oriented. So you might have doubt that is there any language which is purely object-oriented? The answer is yes. There is programming language called Smalltalk which is the only purely object-oriented programming language. Moving next. Second feature is, Java is simple programming language. As we know that Java syntax is based on C++ and Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features like explicit pointers, operator overloading. It is one of the simple programming language. Third feature is, Java is secure programming language. Because Java does not support explicit pointer and also it runs program inside a virtual machine. Let me explain you with diagram for better understanding. Languages like C, C++ uses runtime environment provided by an operating system to run a program file. But Java uses JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, to run program, means it uses its own runtime environment and does not depend on operating system. Hence, programmers believe that Java is secure than any other programming language. Moving next. Fourth feature is, Java is platform independent. Yes, Java is platform independent programming language because once Java program file is compiled, the Java code is converted to machine understandable language called Java bytecode. This Java bytecode can be then executed on any operating system. Hence Java is platform independent language. The fifth feature is, Java is robust. Since Java uses strong memory management, there is a lack of pointers that avoid security problems. There is automatic garbage collection in Java which runs on the Java virtual machine to get rid of objects which are not being used by a Java application anymore, and there are exception handling and the type checking mechanism in Java. All these points make Java robust. The next feature is, Java is portable. Because Java facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It doesn't require any implementation. These are first 6 features of Java. In next video we will discuss next 6 features.